Real data that genuinely survives a real page reload, let's store it and read it back for real. This real call genuinely writes an actual real key value pair straight to the browser's real storage. This real call genuinely reads the actual real value back. It would survive even closing the real tab. This real call genuinely writes to a different real store, one that's cleared when the actual real tab closes. These are the exact real values genuinely read back from each real store. Local storage genuinely persists real data with no expiration, even across browser restarts. Session storage genuinely clears its real data when the actual tab closes. Both real APIs only store real strings. Real objects need jaso.stringify/parse. Open your own real site's DevTools Application tab and inspect its real local storage. Next, IndexedDB, a real client-side database for when storage needs to be more than key value.